Retrofitting existing unit ventilators in classrooms. Part 1. ACBC benefits. Today, many schools still have old unit ventilators installed in their classrooms. These units have been known to have many drawbacks, such as low thermal comfort, poor indoor air quality, continual maintenance requirements, and high noise levels. Over time, wall openings can develop cracks, causing cold air to leak inside the space. These cold air drafts cause significant occupant discomfort. Regular condensation and maintenance oversight can lead to mold growth in and around the unit, which not only creates bad odors in the classroom, but can also lead to occupant health issues. Noise generated from the fan motor and the high-velocity air can be very disruptive in a classroom. One unit ventilator installation manual even states, oftentimes the close proximity of the equipment, such as floor-mounted unit ventilators, may cause noise-related complaints. The Price Displacement Chilled Beam, or ACBC, is an excellent alternative to unit ventilators and fan coils. It is one of the least invasive and most cost-effective options for classroom renovations, and provides significant occupant, owner, and contractor benefits. When unitary systems aren't cared for, they start to break down, resulting in serious maintenance issues, affecting costs and air quality. Unlike unitary systems, the displacement beam has no moving parts and requires virtually zero maintenance. With a displacement system, you can use less cooling load to condition a space and decrease the size of the fan-powered equipment, resulting in significant annual electrical savings. Odyssey Elementary, a school in Utah, saw a 66% decrease in energy usage with a displacement system. ANSI S12.60 2012 states that background noise levels in all core learning areas should not exceed 35 dBA. According to a recent study, only 1 out of 54 classrooms met this standard. This leaves almost no room to add noise from an HVAC system. The displacement beam has no moving parts, and they release air slowly, making them inherently very quiet. Indoor environmental quality has been proven by several independent studies to have a major impact on health, performance, and attendance of students and teachers. In a displacement system, particles are pushed upward and out of the breathing zone, meaning you are always breathing in fresh, clean air. ASHRAE recognizes a 20% improvement in air quality when a displacement system is used. Displacement beams release air at a lower speed and a higher supply air temperature, creating a comfortable, stratified space. Through improving indoor air quality and thermal comfort, displacement ventilation can lead to improved student performance and attendance, which is directly related to government funding levels in many states. One design engineer principal claimed, displacement system ventilation was 20 to 30% more efficient than code-based line systems, and that the payback periods are nearly instantaneous. Contact us today about installing displacement beams in your next school project.